Hey, it's Bounty again, and I'm going ahead and sticking them in the ground. I'm gonna do this row today. I'm gonna do another row tomorrow, and maybe 2 rows tomorrow for tomato plants and peppers. But I want to go ahead and get the peppers in the ground. I've got 3 chocolate bootloves and 4 Carolina Reapers in the ground already. I'm fixing to put 3 more death spirals in the ground right here. But basically, what I want to show you is how I'm doing it. I'm taking this lid right here, and I lay it, and taking the plant out without. Oh, there we go.
No, stay away from me.
All right, watch out. We're videoing, Hazel. Watch this. You can see how I put it in the ground, and then I use this right here for my spacing. And I put it right there in the ground, kind of break up the root ball just a little bit, but I don't like breaking the roots too much. But I want them, where they're kind of exfoliated, I guess you would say. And then I don't pack it around it. I just want to leave it loose for right now. And take my marker so I can I know exactly which one I'm looking for. And I take this and pull it in the middle, make a little mound where it don't sit and hold water. And I move to the next one. So I like keeping them evenly spaced, and about 2 foot apart. I'd say pretty much sufficient in my mind. But yeah, I'm super stoked about this. I can't wait to see finished product. But thank you. If you like what's going on, and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It does mean a like. Please leave me a like, share it out, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If I'm doing something wrong, you got a better idea, leave it in the comment. Tell me what. I'm all ears. All right, thank you. Love you, mean it.